On this episode of Crypto Moose, we're going to help you identify what is the best hardware wallet in 2026. My name is Mitchell Bouchard, aka Crypto Moose, and I've set up over 20 different hardware wallets, so I know a thing or two when it comes to these devices. If you guys are interested in any of the hardware wallets that we talk about on this episode, head over to the link tree. In there, you will find links to Tangems, Trezors, Ledgers, and more. Go to the link tree, pick up one of these wallets, and protect your crypto. Also, keep in mind, on this channel, we have done tons of unboxing videos as well as step-by-step tutorials to help you set up these hardware wallets. So if there's anything that you're interested in, check out those tutorials to help you get set up properly. Before we get started, let's answer why hardware wallets. Most of you hold your crypto on an online exchange, also referred to as a centralized exchange. This will be something like a crypto.com, a Coinbase, or a Kraken, and that is fine. It's simple to use. The problem with it is that you do not own your seed phrase. So not your keys, not your cheese. The problem is that if that website ever goes away, if the exchange ever goes down, you could potentially lose all of your crypto. So the next one is going to be a hot wallet. This will be something like a MetaMask or a Phantom wallet, where you set up the wallet and you write down your seed phrase. If you ever lose access to that wallet, you can just set up a new device. While that's good, the problem with the hot wallet is that it's connected to the internet. So if somebody ever compromises your wallet, they can sign a transaction on your behalf and you lose all of your crypto. Now, the best form of protection is going to be setting up a hardware wallet, also referred to as cold storage. This is where your private keys are held on the device, which is held offline. So there's no way a hacker can compromise your private keys unless they physically get the device and they know your password. So this is by far the best way you can protect your crypto. So with that being said, let's dive into the budget-friendly, mid-tier, and advanced tier. Starting out in the budget tier, we have to talk about the Tangem wallet. You can pick up this hardware wallet for around $50 USD. If you guys use code Moose, you can save 10% instantly. You guys can pick up the 2-card or 3-card set. This wallet is small, it's slick, it's sexy, and it's simple to set up. So if you guys have a cell phone, you can easily utilize this device day to day. So you can carry your crypto using this wallet, and it is so simple to use. The token support is there, so whether you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, or others, it will most likely support your cryptocurrency. One of the best features about this wallet is that it is small. It fits right in your wallet along with your debit and/or credit cards, so you can carry this with you almost anywhere you go. Also, it's very inconspicuous. Not a lot of people will notice that you have a hardware wallet even when you're out in public. So it's really cool to have a device with you. Kind of makes you feel like James Bond or Moose Bond. Tangem also listens to their customers. So whenever you log into your app, you're probably going to notice that there's more token support, more partnerships. So you can very easily and cheaply swap your digital assets. So this is by far the best bang for buck. There is nothing else even close. On top of all of that, you also have EAL6+, so you have top rated security. To sign transactions with this wallet, you simply have to tap it to the back of your phone using NFC and then put in your password. So it's very simple and very secure. This wallet is by far the best, under $100 USD. So let's move on to the next one. Getting into the mid tier, we have 3 different hardware wallets. So the first one, we have to talk about the Trezor Safe 3. This wallet is fantastic. You have to use it with a laptop or desktop. That's one of the only downsides. With this wallet, you're going to be able to connect to different dApps. So you'll be able to do things like yield farming. You can easily buy NFTs. You can stake, etc. When it comes to the build quality and reliability, you cannot go wrong with the Trezor Safe 3. For me, when it comes to holding my Cardano and Ethereum, that's where I like to hold those tokens. So if you're a little more advanced, maybe at least mid-tier, that's going to be a good option for you. So if you are on somewhat of a budget, around $100, this will be a good option for you. Another great option in the mid-tier is going to be the Ledger Nano S+. With this device, you're going to have great security, you're going to have a lot of token support, and you're going to be able to use Ledger Live. So this is their proprietary app, and as of right now, it is looking really good. So you can easily buy, swap, manage your crypto all in one app. Guys, comment down below, are you more of a Trezor or a Ledger type of person? And coming in for our third option in the mid-tier, we have to go with the OneKey Classic 1S. Similar to the Tangem wallet, this wallet was sent to me for review, and it did catch me off guard. I did not expect much going into it, but once I had this device in my hands, it was pretty fantastic. So it had a lot of token support, it was fun, it had a cool little app, and it felt very nerdy. So this for sure is one of my favorite hardware wallets. I carry it around in my bag, and it's very simple to use, and it's kind of cute. I think I talked about that in the review video. So for around $100, this is one of my favorite wallets. So if you guys are interested, hit up the link tree. Now let's get into the expert tier. So these are hardware wallets, aka cold wallets, that you can pick up for around $200 or more. Number one, we have to go with the Tangem Ring. When this wallet came out, I was thinking to myself, this is one of the coolest things that I've seen in crypto. And every time I use this wallet, I am impressed. So all you have to do is take off the ring and tap it to the back of your phone, and that is how you sign transactions. So you still have the EAL6 Plus chip inside, so it doesn't compromise on security. In fact, it works the exact same as your Tangem wallet, and if you do pick one up, it comes with 2 backup cards. So this is one of the most unique wallets that is out there, even to this date. Another great wallet in the expert tier is the Ledger Flex. By far the best thing about this wallet is that it includes an e-ink touchscreen display. So it's very unique. This wallet also works with your Ledger Live app via Bluetooth, so you can easily manage your crypto assets, you can easily swap, you can stake, and do more. So you can connect to DeFi applications with your phone. So it's one of the best wallets for the price. A little bit on the pricier side of things, but you get what you pay for. So the Ledger Flex, 100%, I love it. And for our final pick, I have to go with the all-new Trezor Safe 7. So this is the first quantum-ready crypto hardware wallet. It was just announced. It has some of the best technology we've seen in hardware wallets to date. This wallet also features a high-res color touchscreen, and the screen looks a little bit bigger than their previous models. You also have a premium anodized aluminum shell, so it looks fantastic, and I assume it's going to be robust. So when I get my hands on that, I will be doing a review and a setup video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Guys, hit up the link tree, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which hardware wallet are you going to pick up in 2026 and beyond. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.